How to make an image black and white in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and click on Upload and upload the image you want. Click on the image and you'll find Edit option on top. Then click on Adjust. Scroll all the way down in Adjust and decrease saturation to -100. As you can see, the image has been black and white, or you can simply click on Image and go to Edit. Scroll all the way down till you find Filters. In Filters, you will find Black and White filter. Click on it, and then your image will be black and white. That's how to make an image black and white in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.